I'm Polybath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I am the school counselor at a middle school, and I'm feeling so defeated by the rudeness, disrespect, and hatred I have been seeing from students lately. I have tried so many things. Suggestions? Yeah, this is kind of all around, and I see a lot of this. So first of all, I want to validate that it's not just happening in your neck of the woods. It's really happening everywhere. And there could be a lot of explanations for it, what kids may be exposed to when they were home for a couple years during some very critical developmental social times in their life, and what they, where their entertainment was coming from. But regardless of that, I think we are looking at it as a huge everything. So when I see words like rudeness, disrespect, hatred, those are such strong words. We're seeing it as a big thing when it's time for us to kind of whittle it down. It is a big thing, but let's think about what's the one thing, what's the one skill that we want to get into these kids? What's the one thing we want to alleviate? Because we're not going to change everything. Go back to your school values and say, you know what? We define respect as being able to anticipate how my words and actions impact another human being and being able to read verbal and nonverbal cues. Maybe that's where we focus as a classroom or a school. Just there, just that one thing. We want to see change in that, and then we can move on. I think when we look at it as a whole big issue of all of these types of things that are not sitting well with us, it almost seems like impossible for us to seem like we can change it. So focus on one thing at a time and see if we can't start making some change there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.